I'm here outside of the Allegiant Stadium where Governor Steve Sisolak and the Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg, as well as the director for NDOT, just announced the complete reconstruction of the I-15 Tropicana interchange, which you can see behind me here. It has been a topic of discussion since the construction of the stadium began in 2017 and heating up now as Formula One and the Super Bowl are slated for our city. The $305 million project calls for the complete demolition and reconstruction of the Tropicana Bridge that crosses over I-15. The bridge was originally constructed back when I-15 was built in the 1960s. The project will be broken down in 4 phases, with phase 1 consisting of building a new HOV-only interchange half a mile north at Harmon Avenue, along with flood control improvements along Dean Martin Drive.
We're going to have to make sure that the flood control systems under I-15 are extended to the duration they'll need to be for that widening. So it's all part of making sure that the system works safely, efficiently, and some of it is actually enabling future construction phases.
Phase 2 starts early next year, and this is where things get really messy with the demolition of the north side of the Tropicana overpass, shifting all traffic onto the south side of the aging structure. This phase will also include the reconstruction of the southbound I-15 to eastbound Tropicana flyover ramp, resulting in the closure of that flyover ramp for over a year. NDOT needs to raise the ramp to accommodate the higher bridge structure.
This is going to make transportation better, safer, and more convenient.
But Governor Sisolak says while in the end these changes to the I-15 in Tropicana will be beneficial, people can expect some minor inconveniences for a couple of years.
And anybody that's gone to a UNLV or a Raiders game or a Knights game know the congestion that we have down here. And I think the short-term sacrifice for the long-term gain is going to be something that we're all really happy with.
Phase 3 continues at the end of 2023 through mid-2024, demolishing the south side of Tropicana, moving traffic to the north side onto the newly built overpass. Finally, Phase 4 is the last 6 months of the project, realigning Dean Martin to tunnel under Tropicana and removing the traffic light at Tropicana. Not only will the construction of the I-15 provide a better driving experience for travelers, it will also provide 4,600 jobs.
We're keeping our community employed, we're keeping our economy going, and that's something that we're all proud of.
Swallow says she's not exactly sure when people can start to expect delays, but says there will be traffic signs posted to give people a heads up. Reporting from outside Allegiant Stadium, I'm Danny Maston, Fox 5 News, local, Las Vegas.